Hey everyone! Are you ready to embark on a virtual journey to some of the most stunning beaches around the globe? Grab your sunscreen and shades because today we're counting down the top 20 beaches in the world. Let's kick things off with Grace Bay and Turks and Caicos. Powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking sunsets make this a must-visit. Next up, we have Whitehaven Beach in Australia. Nestled in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, this beach is famous for its blindingly white silica sand. It's like walking on clouds. Third on our list is Anse Source d'Argent in Seychelles. This beach is postcard perfect with its granite boulders and turquoise waters. It's a photographer's paradise. Now, for something a bit more exotic, let's head to Navagio Beach in Greece. Also known as Shipwreck Beach, it's only accessible by boat and surrounded by towering cliffs. Adventure anyone? Maldives, home to the stunning Hulhumale Beach? Imagine lounging in a hammock over the water or snorkeling with vibrant marine life. Pure bliss. For those who love a bit of nightlife, Copacabana in Brazil is the place to be. This iconic beach is not just about sand and sea, it's also about the vibrant culture and endless fun. Next, we travel to the stunning shores of Bora Bora's Matira Beach in French Polynesia. It's the epitome of tropical luxury with its overwater bungalows and brilliant blue waters. Hawaii's Lanikai Beach is another gem. With its calm waters and picturesque views of the Mokulua Islands, it's perfect for kayaking and paddleboarding. Then there's Pink Sands Beach in the Bahamas. Yes, you heard it right. This beach is famous for its rosy-hued sands, a true natural wonder. Moving to Thailand, we have Maya Bay. Surrounded by cliffs and crystal-clear waters, it's no wonder this beach was featured in the movie The Beach. Let's not forget Tulum in Mexico. White sands, ancient Mayan ruins, and a bohemian vibe make this beach a unique destination. In Indonesia, there's Nusa Dua Beach in Bali. Known for its luxurious resorts and calm waters, it's a dream come true for relaxation. Seychelles makes another appearance with the stunning Grand Anse Beach. Its powerful waves are perfect for surfers. Next, Bondi Beach in Australia. This world-famous beach is a hotspot for surfers and beachgoers alike. Don't forget to snap a selfie at the Bondi Icebergs pool. In the US, we have South Beach in Miami. Known for its Art Deco architecture and vibrant nightlife, it's the ultimate beach party destination. Let's head to the Caribbean with 7 Mile Beach in Jamaica. Its long stretch of sand and turquoise waters are perfect for a relaxing stroll. Then there's Ipanema Beach in Brazil. With the backdrop of the Two Brothers Mountain, it's one of the most iconic beaches in the world. Maui's Wailea Beach in Hawaii is another paradise. Pristine waters, luxury resorts, and some of the best snorkeling spots around. In the Philippines, El Nido's Nakpan Beach is a hidden gem. It's less crowded and offers stunning views of the surrounding islands. Finally, we have the spectacular Honopu Beach in Hawaii. Known as the Cathedral Beach, it's only accessible by swimming or kayaking. It's the ultimate adventure for the brave-hearted. So there you have it, the top 20 beaches in the world. Which one will you visit first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Catch you later, beach lovers.